3-in-1 fat loss device. Portable storage case, convenient for body shaping at home. Patented 40K annoization, silent fat blasting technology with reduced tinnitus for a more enjoyable experience. Advanced 3D RF, refines skin texture, and provides a lifting effect. Use cavitation to blast fat first, then use RF to lift and tighten the skin. Easily achieve body shaping effects at home.
Take out the main unit and all accessories. Take a screwdriver to slowly pry open the place where the fuse is installed. The instrument comes with 2 spare fuses, which can be used to replace the fuse inside the instrument when it is broken. Remove the broken fuse and replace it with the spare fuse. Install accessory rack. .40K handle. Face RF handle. IRF handle. Put all the installed handles into the corresponding accessory rack in turn. Power cable. After all parts are installed, turn on the machine. Tap 40K button. Parameter setting. Time range, 0 to 60 minutes. Recommended duration, 15 minutes. Energy range, 0 to 10. Recommended energy, 3 to 7. Tap Start button. Tap Stop button. Tap Face RF button. Parameter setting. Recommended duration, 15 minutes. Recommended energy, 3 to 7. Tap Start button. Tap Stop button. Tap IRF button. Parameter setting. Recommended duration, 10 minutes. Recommended energy, 3 to 7. Tap Start button. Tap Stop button. Turn off the instrument. Unplug the power cable.